Okay, now that we're in our thinking chair, let's make music. Just kidding. Let's think. Will you help me? You will? Great. Okay, so we're trying to figure out what Blue wants to do today. And our clues are pot lids, a drum, and a marching toy. So what could Blue want to do today with pot lids, a drum, and a marching toy? Well, the drum makes music, right? Oh, and the pot lids, if we bang them together, they sound like cymbals. Yeah, and the marching toy marches, right? So, what could Blue want to do today with a drum, pot lids, and a marching toy?
A marching band parade.
A marching band parade. A marching parade. I love a parade. So the pot lids are the cymbals, and the drum is to drum, and the marching toy is to march. We just figured out Blue's clues, and that means we get to sing. We just figured out Blue's clues. We just figured out Blue's clues. We just figured out Blue's clues, 'cause we're really smart. Blue, let's go get all your instruments and put on a